Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to add alt text in the image. So the alt text is basically the text associated with the image. It's because some people with impairment, physical impairment, may not be able to see it clearly. So they will need some associated text to know what the picture is about. Okay, so in order to do that, I am gonna click on the image uh, and then right click and you'll find an option called view all alt text. I'm going to click on this and a box appears here on the right side and it says description automatically generated. Look at the picture. It's about biodiversity, animals and plants, and a group of animals in the field. That is the description that has been auto generated. So you can write your own description if you want, but I'm going to keep it this way and approve alt text. Okay, and there you go. So if you click outside it and then go back and click it, you will see this description, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find my tutorials helpful, please subscribe my channel.